so far we have 1.5. Oh, these are all brood and capped brood. Larvae, eggs, looking for the queen. Oh, we have one, what could be down in the bottom right corner. There could be, there's some drone cells which stick out a little higher. And I can't tell whether the bees are on top of a queen cell or just drone cells. We're gonna go ahead and put this one back in. So far we have 2.5 frames full. We need 70 to 80% before we put on our second deep.
Are you gonna cut that off right there? Or are you gonna leave that there?
We'll probably go ahead and cut that
And
off.
why did they do that so high?
It's just because they're trying to stick stuff together.
Okay.
All right, I already did 2.5. So I'm gonna look at the next frame. This is probably where the queen will be, maybe. Oh, it's getting heavy. Holy mackerel. Eggs, larvae, capped brood, honey. Oh, look at the pollen pants down there in the bottom right corner. Mrs. Pollen Pants.
Oh,
There's pollen on her legs.
They look so much bigger when they have the pollen on their little legs.
Yeah, they do. Are you filming now, or?
Yeah.
All right, so far we have 3.5 full frames. And I'm gonna keep going and see where we're at. I don't think we're at the 70 to 80%, so I don't think we're gonna add our second. Note, this one's starting to get lighter. So not much going on this side of the frame. This side of the frame is mostly honey. And then I believe that's, if you look down inside some of those, it looks like a dry, that's actual pollen patties, I believe. And that's for them to feed the babies and the food. So we are very happy. We did not see the queen, but I saw
Enough.
plenty of signs of the queen. So we are not worried about that. So we're just gonna go ahead and put the hive back together in a moment.
All right, peace out from Hale's Honey Pot.
Peace out.